The combination of a successful career, a loving family, and a strong social network may seem like the recipe for a perfect life. However, even those who can't check each of those boxes might feel like something is missing, and that something is their purpose in life. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can find your purpose in life. If you're not growing, you're dying, which is why growth is addictive to many of us. We naturally only feel fulfilled when we're improving ourselves or our lives in some way. Everything in life is calling to us to grow. When we stop growing, we start feeling pain, fear, and anxiety. We're then susceptible to envy as we look around and see what everyone else has that we don't. Instead of asking, "What is my purpose in life?" we start coveting status, material goods, and power. But all those things will ultimately leave you feeling empty. So, here are a few ways that can help you find your own purpose in life. 10. Search inward. The questions, "What is my purpose in life?" and "How can I be happy?" are actually the same, and they have the same answer. You can never truly understand how to find your purpose by listening to others' opinions and seeking outside approval. Everything you need is within yourself. The only thing holding you back is your own limiting beliefs. With each limiting belief, you identify and replace an empowering belief. You develop greater self-awareness. And when you're in control of your emotions, you're in control of your life. 9. Turn hurts into healing for others. If there's just one habit you can create to help you find your purpose, it would be helping others. Altruistic behaviors could include volunteering for a non-profit organization, donating money to causes you care about, or simply helping out the people around you on a day-to-day basis. Whether you decide to spend 2 Saturdays a month serving meals in a soup kitchen, or you volunteer to drive your elderly neighbor to the grocery store once a week, doing something kind for others can make you feel as though your life has meaning. 8. Listen to feedback. It can be hard to recognize the things you feel passionate about sometimes. After all, you probably like to do many different things, and the things you love to do may have become so ingrained in your life that you don't realize how important those things are. Fortunately, other people might be able to give you some insight. There's a good chance you're already displaying your passion and purpose to those around you without even realizing it. You might choose to reach out to people and ask what reminds them of you or what they think of you when you enter their mind. Or you might take note when someone pays you a compliment or makes an observation about you. Write those observations down and look for patterns. Whether people think of you as a great entertainer or they say you have a passion for helping the elderly, hearing others say what they notice about you might reinforce some of the passions you've already been engaging in. 7. Focus on what you have. Developing an abundance mindset is like opening your eyes to life. You'll see beauty and goodness all around you. With this new perspective, your purpose in life becomes much clearer. You question less and less how to find your purpose because you feel like you have more of the answers and that you're on the path to achieving meaningful goals. When we focus on what we have, fear disappears and abundance appears. You'll stop living in fear that you're wasting your life and begin to attract positivity and joy. Finding your purpose becomes an exciting journey rather than a stressful goal. 6. Discover your true needs. When asking themselves, "What is my purpose in life?" some people don't even know where to start. If you fall into this category, it helps to examine the 6 human needs. Your top need: certainty, significance, variety, love or connection, growth or contribution, affects every decision you make. Lack of awareness about your own needs can leave you with a false sense of purpose, one that is actually based on others' expectations. This is why you can reach the top of the career ladder, find the perfect partner, or be in the best shape of your life, but still not feel happy. Fulfillment begins with your innermost needs. Before we go on to the next tips on the list, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now, or you'll not be able to understand what it really is that you need the most. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. As the saying goes, you're the company you keep. What do you have in common with the people who you choose to be around? Don't think about coworkers or family members you feel obligated to see. Think about the people you choose to spend time with outside of work and outside of family functions. The people you surround yourself with say something about you. If you're surrounded by people who are making positive change, you might draw from their inspiration. On the other hand, if the people around you are negative individuals who drag you down, You might want to make some changes. It's hard to feel passionate and purposeful when you're surrounded by people who aren't interested in making positive contributions. 4. Be flexible. One of the hardest parts of learning how to find your purpose is letting go of old identities and interests that no longer serve us. Yet it's something that must be done. Your purpose in life is also likely to grow and change as you grow and change. You must be willing to be flexible and to listen to your innermost wants and needs. Finding your purpose is a lifelong journey. Being flexible as you grow in integrity while being true to yourself. When you develop your core values and stop seeking external affirmation, you'll find that the question of, what is my purpose in life, is much easier to answer. 3. Embrace acceptance. Part of finding your purpose is accepting your own limitations. Instead of getting frustrated with yourself, give yourself a break. Get to know yourself bit by bit, taking the role of observer. As you practice self-compassion while building self-awareness, you'll be able to find the meaning you're seeking. Self-compassion means being patient with yourself. Feeling lost in life can be a very disorienting feeling. You may feel frustrated, but be gentle with yourself. Everyone who has ever asked themselves, "What is my purpose?" began from a place of uncertainty. Their hesitancy was what prompted them to dig deep and find greater meaning. 2. Start conversations with new people. It's easy to browse social media while you're alone on the subway or sitting at a bar waiting for a friend. Resist that urge. Instead, take the time to talk to the people around you. Ask them if they are working on any projects or what they like to do for fun. Talk to them about organizations with which they're involved or if they like to donate to any particular cause. Even though striking up conversations with strangers may feel awkward at first, talking to people outside of your immediate social circle can open your eyes to activities, causes, or career opportunities that you never even knew existed. You might discover new activities to explore or different places to visit, and those activities might be key to helping you find your purpose. 1. Take time for yourself. What is my purpose? Is a deep question that takes time and reflection to answer. When you spend all your time running from one commitment to another, you never have time to just sit quietly and reconnect with yourself. Make sure you schedule enough personal time to reduce the noise and demands of the outer world and focus on what you want. When you feel depleted searching for meaning in life, take a deep breath and center yourself. Take time for self-care, whether that's a spa day or reading a book in the park. It's by looking within that you're able to identify your values, the belief you hold most dear as a guiding force in life. You won't understand how to find your purpose without first taking a step back and relaxing. Well, there you have it, a few different ways to help you find your own purpose in life. Have you discovered your own purpose in life? Why do you think having a purpose in life is important? Let's know your thoughts down in the comments section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.